Plastics recycling is growing. Communities are collecting more and more plastics, and recycling rates are rising year after year. But there's a problem. Many people still don't know which plastics go in the recycling bin. And from one community to the next, the words used to explain which plastics are collected for recycling can be inconsistent and even contradictory. In short, plastics recycling can be confusing. This is a shame, because recycled plastics are valuable materials that are in high demand. If we could reduce this confusion, we could collect a lot more plastics. A solution to this challenge? Recycling professionals need a common set of terms to communicate, both among themselves and to residents. Think about it. Every profession requires a common set of terms. Engineers, doctors, baseball players, even musicians all use their own common set of professional terms. Plastics recycling should be no different. A common set of terms, like a glossary or a lexicon, will help communities communicate more effectively to residents about which plastics to recycle, making it easier to participate and to recycle more valuable plastics. That's why stakeholders in plastics recycling created a common set of recycling terms, plus some simple tools to help use these terms. A wide-ranging advisory committee created these terms and tools, including plastics recyclers, plastics makers, recycling experts, and other recycling advocates. In addition, input from hundreds of recycling professionals was solicited through extensive surveys. The plastics recycling terms and tools contain a common language to help streamline communications for community recycling programs throughout the US and Canada. No more guessing what to call a particular plastic. This common set of outreach terms can help significantly reduce residents' confusion and increase the amount and quality of plastics recycled. Better communication will lead to better recycling. In addition to these outreach terms, the terms and tools contain a separate set of recycled plastics commodity terms, designed to improve tracking of plastics recycling at local, state, and national levels, and to create greater efficiencies in the buying and selling of used plastics. The goals of the terms and tools? To increase recycling rates, to increase the types and amounts of plastics recycled, and to help meet growing demand for recycled plastics used in packaging and products, even playgrounds. The plastics recycling terms and tools are simple, intuitive, comprehensive, and available free of charge. They include a simple online tool to streamline the process, plus royalty-free images to use in recycling educational materials. It's time to sing from the same songbook and recycle more plastics. Go to RECYCLEYOURPLASTICS.org and click on the Plastics Recycling Terms and Tools icon. Better communication, better recycling. www.recycleyourplastics.org